وانا كلافيا مالدا لاسن كلافيا مالدا ساكنا زوري قليل بابا ساكنا زوري قليل بابا لاسن كلافيا مالدا دم بشري بشري مالدا
Guys, what's up? How are you guys? So welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are all doing well wherever you are. Whatever you are doing is all going well. So guys, welcome to my today's vlog and let's have fun. Let's do this together. Yes, join me. And for now, in our small garden right now. Come closer because I know the voice is a little bit down. Somewhere here. There. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, I'm in our small garden. We don't have much here, but we have some bananas around here and a small garden just right there at the corner part end there. It's just small because our piece of land is small, but yeah, we do get some vegetables from there. We do get vegetables from there to serve us for a day. So yeah, and bananas, we do eat them every day of our life, actually. Not sorry, let me not lie, not every day, but regular. So guys, yeah, for now I want to cut this banana down. We have already eaten it. Show them. We have already ate to the half of it, and now it's because we started eating while it was not because we were not eating the whole of it, so we had to cut from the tree as we eat, and now it has come to like the last portion, so I have to cut the stem. Junior, come and help me. I don't know how to cut this.
Let me help you.
Will you help me? But this one, Uncle said he needs to correct some medicine, some herb from a stem. So guys, actually, the banana stem's water is a very good herb medicine. So yeah, so allow me to cut a half of it and then leave the other half for like correction of the medicine. So yeah, so pause kwanza.
Fanya hivi, vuta hiyo pilipili kuja isaidi huku. Imefungwa.
Okay, there was some pepper here. Pepper. That was supported by this stem. I have to remove it. Help me pull it to the other side. Pull it and stand like it. Just stand there. Should I cut it from here? I don't want it to hurt this small one. So now I need to try to I thought I was to save this small one. It was to And later in the day, guys, it rained. It really rained. Not so much, but it rained. You can see we got some water. Do you love our flowers? Flowers, flower. Okay. So guys, you know what? When we were a little bit younger, my grandma used to tell us that yeah, actually we used to go to the river to fetch some water, We didn't have like tap, maybe like so when we used to go to the river, okay, no. So when the rains used to rain, my grandma used to tell us, "Oh, you're lucky now that the sons and the daughters of God have decided to go to the river for you." Yeah, and yeah, it was amazing, and it used to make sense to us. So we eventually received some rains, and we have enough water, guys. You can see it's wet all over. Even my fireplace got wet, you can see. Yeah, lucky enough I have some other places and some other options. Yeah, so yeah, the sons and the daughters decided to go to the river for us, so we are good, we are blessed, we are loved. Yeah, you can see how it looks like. It's now cold, and it's around 5 something in the evening. So yeah, this is how it decided to change at once. In the morning, we had very strong violet rays, very strong sun and hot one, but it changed all of a sudden. Yeah. Mwana gari. Yeah, so at this plant, when I touch it, it gets annoyed. I don't know whether you have ever come across it in your place. So let me show you this plant. Wow, this is amazing. Can you touch them? Come and touch them for them. Touch it for them. Wow, see? Can you see that? Get out this one. See how it's getting annoyed. Wow. Touch them. Touch. Angalia. Yo. Nakasirika. Kasirika. It's getting annoyed. Oh, look at that. Guys, I don't know whether my camera is fair enough to do justice for you guys. Have you seen how we've annoyed this plant, the whole of the plant? Actually, I would like to know the spiritual meaning of this, but it's amazing. I find it amazing, amazing, amazing. Just look at how it has all shrunk down. Just look at that. Just everywhere around this place. Wow. So guys, let me know if you have ever come across it around your place. Let me see. Just look at that plant. It's all over here. So I just love it. I love nature. If you're a nature lover, you understand what I mean. Guys, let's get home with my boys. I brought them out here for a picnic, for a walk. You know, when they are two, actually it's hard to get out and take them anywhere. Yeah, it will be a mess and so difficult to cut them both home. So yeah, so let's go, guys. 20. That's 20. Ah, 20. 20. Twende. Twende Mari, kimbia. Ni hivyo usikimbie. And so guys, along the way, look at just what we've met. We just met this wild bird, but that now the bird that normally nowadays people keep at home with chicken actually. I don't know what you call them in your native language, but for us we call it a ganga. Kaka, just look at it. Look at this. It's a wild bird actually, but nowadays in Africa we keep it at home. Let him go. Let him go. Huyu anataka kushika kuku. Haitakungoja, itaenda. Ameenda. Ameenda. Hebu muite. Mwambie akuje. Mwambie kuku kuja. Kuja. Wamekuja kuharibu maharagwe ya wenyewe. See? They are trying to call them. Mwambie kuja. Call them. Tadi njura telefoni yake. So guys, and so guys, at this point we are at a place where we have a shortcut and there's a main road right here. The main road, let me show you. So actually this is the main road and this is the shortcut. So I want to take them for a nature walk. We pass through this thick this road that has a lot of trees and some part of natures. Hey. Ya kukunywa nini naweza nunuliwa watoto kitu ya kukunywa. So guys, so we opted for this route that passes between the trees. It's like it's a man-made forest, actually someone's land that he chose to plant trees. Yeah, as you know, it's a very nice investment. So yeah, it's not a forest though. So let me use this route. So guys, Daddy, can you help recording us? This is my nephew, Caston. Twende. Huyu amechoka. Twende basi. So guys, as you can see, we are having a little like a small nature walk with my boys. Yeah, I know it is therapeutic, whatever. Yeah, and it is helpful and beneficial to them. So guys, wacha kula kitu mbaya. Shit. Nawe. Nakula pupu. Very bad.
Hug the tree. Tali? Walk.
Kuna maviatu vingine umenikanyaga.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
So he's actually tired and fed up. I think I'm the one who wronged him. He wanted to pick some sticks. Maybe it was his way of connecting with nature, but I'm the one who did wrong to him. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, we are out. We are finally out of this jungle. It's almost an acre. It's an acre. And Bebe, he wants to be carried. They are now tired. Actually, they have tried. Oh, shit. Okay. Hold on. Daddy. Ngoja. Ngoja, umeyuji. Wow. These roots, look. I've never, it's around our home, but I've never used this shortcut. Yeah, you can see the main road is down there, like almost 100 meters from here. Yeah, but we chose to use this one. I don't know why most people like it. Yeah. And I myself am tired, and these real ones are tired too. We are struggling. I think we live in on a hill somewhere, on a high place, in a way. Yeah, you can hear that cry of birds. So guys, can you hear that cry of birds? There's a tree here which has a lot of nests, and the birds are singing sweet melodies. Sweet melody. Can you hear? Wow, this is a blessing. Yeah, so this is where we are, guys, and we are heading home. We are tired as hell. Yeah, I thought this one was fair, but no, it's just the same.